Hey there. We are talking about Rewind Advanced Restore. We have run the reports and we ran the reports for the date and time that we're rolling back to. We have run the reports for the day and time year, like basically to the point in time, let's say today. So today I'm restoring the file. I'm going to restore it back to April 1st. I've run the April 1st reports and I have run the reports leading up to today. I opened up the books and I unmatched transactions going back to April 1st. Now I need to come into Rewind in my file. So I'm in my demo file. Make sure you're in the right file. Then select the date that you want to restore the item to. So we are going to go back. Well, I said April 1st, but we're going to go with March 31st. And it is going to, allow you to pick a time. And then you are going to receive an email when you are done restoring the item. So make sure that this is something that you want to do. So I can go ahead and do this. This is a demo account. It's going to give you a list of the transactions that are going to be impacted. And we're going to put in our email address of where we want this to come to, because what it's going to do is it's going to give us a success report. It's going to tell us when it's done, and then it is going to tell us what was successful and if there were any problems with the advanced restore. This is the internet. Okay, so I'm going to restore that file. We're going to hit yes, restore, and we're going to receive that email. When you are in the file, so now we have restored our file. We've gotten the email. We are going to verify our data. So first, what we're going to do is close those books again. I am a nut about closing books. I mentioned before that I use a bookmark to close my books. If you're not using a bookmark, go into your accountant settings, go into advanced, bookmark that page. Just kidding. And close off those books. So we are going to close the books as of that day. We're going to use the M key to make our way back. And we're going to add a password and we're going to save that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to close those books. Then we're going to verify the data. We're going to review the success failure items that came in the email from us. Then we are going to go in and we are going to compare the profit and loss to the original file. We are going to compare the accounts receivable. We are going to the accounts payable, the balance sheet. I would take a run through the trial balance, whatever it is you use to verify your accounts. Then we are going to go into the chart of accounts. We're going to take a roll through to make sure that that chart of accounts looks exactly the same way it did before we started. And then we are going to correct any mismatched information that we have. We are going to go back into the bank feed. We're going to re-automate those rules that we had automated before because we love them. Actually, I wouldn't do that yet. That was bad news, Kelly. Go into the banking and take a roll through and see what the heck came into your file. So I always take a review of the bank feed and see what's going on in there. And then you can start to clear out the bank feed. Just do lots of checks and balances. Actually, it's the Pluto one. And we are going to auto add that one. And then we are going to auto add whatever this is. It's a demo file. So I don't know what some of these things are. We're going to add that. And when we come back in here, it will have taken care of some of those five. It didn't take care of this one because the amount was wrong, I do believe, whatever the case may be. Then we're going to take a roll through and we are going to carry on with our brand new rolled back file for whatever the reason is. So reasons you may want to do that is an app integration. There has been a heck of a mess made in a file, I don't know, by you. We make mistakes. There's been a mistake, a pile of mistakes made by the client. Whatever. There's lots of reasons to use advanced restore. but make sure that you're very careful about the beginning process and the double checking process and running your reports and running your chart of accounts and the lists that you need to make sure that the files were all the same. Anyways, it's been fun doing this rewind series. It's a great little app to use to roll back a file into time, and it is one of my must-have apps in the QuickBooks ecosystem. Thanks. Bye.